Hey guys, what is up? It is James from Z Food Review. So today we are reviewing this shake I got from the DQ. So I was at work, and after at work, I kind of got a little hungry and a bit splurged, but I had to go and get myself a DQ Blizzard. I think this is probably one of the best Blizzards I've had in a while. It was a chocolate, I think Reese's, with some brownies. It was a really nice blend of flavors that you got. A nice little combination there. I kind of put together last minute. I didn't really think through before going through the menu. Probably should have done that, but it all works out in the end. So, moving along here. The taste perfect. It's a little pricey when you get into past small, and get into like the medium large range. Not a huge fan of their prices. They could really dial it down a little bit, give some more deals here and there. That's probably my big concern with DQ. I think they're a nice business. I like them and all, but they really need to work on that for future reference. So in conclusion, I rate this a 6 out of 10 in overall quality. So, rate, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Donate to our Patreon and GoFundMe. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day and week and month. Thanks for watching.